In the realm of suppressed technology, Muller's generator stands out as a revolutionary invention that challenges conventional understandings of electromagnetism. This device, which ingeniously delays the Lenz force during electricity generation, offers a glimpse into the potential of overunity mechanisms, systems that output more energy than they consume. Yet, despite its promise, this technology has not been promoted, allegedly to maintain the status quo and establish the new world order. At the heart of Muller's generator is the concept of delaying the Lenz force, the electromotive force exerted by the coil on the rotating magnet. This force, typically an obstacle in conventional generators, is minimized to achieve overunity. By reducing this resistive force, Muller's generator can potentially produce more energy than it consumes, a principle that has intrigued and inspired many engineers in the field of free energy. Some modern engineers have further enhanced Muller's design by integrating a Joule-thief circuit. This addition amplifies the output power, allowing the device to operate with even greater efficiency. The input is supplied to two coils to drive the rotor similarly to an induction motor, utilizing a battery with minimal voltage and consuming very little electricity. Remarkably, once the machine is running, the control coils can be connected to the generator's output, effectively recharging the battery and eliminating concerns about depleting power. Innovations and applications. Beyond the original design, it is possible to replace the rotating magnet disc with fixed coils activated by AC voltage pulses from a 555 timer. Although this configuration is more complex and does not achieve the high voltages of a mechanical turntable, it demonstrates the versatility of Muller's principles. The mechanical turntable remains preferred due to its ability to accelerate the rotor disc to a point where zero net force is achieved, highlighting the advantage of this approach in free energy engineering. Muller's method, which effectively reduces or eliminates back electromotive force, Lenz force, exemplifies ether engineering, a field of study that integrates the mathematics of velocity, magnetic flux changes, and the geometry of magnetic induction. This approach harkens back to the early 20th century when ether physics was a respected field of inquiry before being marginalized by mainstream science. The suppression of ether theory and free energy. The theory of ether electricity, once a cornerstone of scientific exploration, has been conspicuously absent from modern education since the 1930s. This omission has stifled significant technological advancements, a situation some attribute to the political machinations of the New World Order. By sidelining ether theory, the powers that be have ensured a societal dependence on established energy sources, thereby maintaining control over economic and social structures. The conspiracy theories surrounding the suppression of free energy inventions suggest that powerful financial interests, particularly bankers, are behind this effort. Since the 1970s and 80s, numerous free energy devices have been invented, yet they remain absent from educational curricula and mainstream applications. This deliberate suppression is seen by many as a tactic to prevent disruptive technologies from undermining the existing economic order. A call for reevaluation. Rediscovering and promoting the hidden technology of the ether field of the permanent magnet could revolutionize our energy landscape. Wilhelm Muller's generator and similar innovations offer a pathway to cleaner, more efficient energy solutions. However, this requires a concerted effort to reevaluate the foundations of modern science and acknowledge the potential of ether theory. As we stand on the brink of an energy crisis, the time is ripe for revisiting these suppressed technologies. By bringing these innovations into the light, we can challenge the entrenched interests that have long dictated the direction of scientific progress. It's time to embrace the promise of free energy and the potential it holds for a sustainable and equitable future.